Hey everybody, so when I did my pre-trip, you guys remember that little piece of metal that was kind of fallen that I was kind of worried about? Well, I don't have a drill and I don't have anything to really fix it with, so I've been kind of thinking, can I zip tie it, or how can I make it look like it's not falling? Because I don't want something falling, you know, DOT when you're going up the scales. So I decided to fix it with some duct tape, or Gorilla Tape. So I'm gonna go tape it up real quick. I'm in Montana right now, and it is freaking cold. It's probably like, I don't know, I think it's at like 15 degrees or something out right now. So, can you see my breath? So, there's the piece of metal that's falling. And I'm just gonna try and tape it to this stud right here. I'm just gonna take some of this tape, Gorilla Tape, just put it in place. Looks awful. Let's see if I can make it look a little better. Not sticking at all. For Gorilla Tape, you'd think it would stick a little bit. Well, this isn't working at all, so I guess it's just gonna have to hang because tape isn't going to cut it this time. So I guess when I get back to the shop they're going to have to fix it. But probably my only trip in this trailer. But when I was driving the other day, my plastic on my rearview mirror came off. And I was able to tape it back on real quick. So see, this bottom was already taped on, but up top was just zip tied on. I was able to just pull over because it was flapping in the wind and throw a piece of tape on it. So, and it's been holding up really good. So, okay, well, I should be home tonight, so I'm kind of excited about that. So yeah, I was driving and this plastic trim came off right here. You guys see this? Right here? So this whole plastic thing, which Volvo did a pretty good job. They use it to, when you use your windshield wipers, the spray comes and hits this instead of hitting your mirror. Well, this whole thing was just flopping, and I pulled over to the side of the road and was able to just throw some tape on top, and it's been working really good lately. So, Gorilla Tape. One good, one bad. So, what do you expect? Fixes the windshield, doesn't fix the trailer. But I should have my drill, and then it would have fixed both. So, this simple screw would have fixed the trailer. Oh well. Okay, another 400 miles and I get to be home. Thanks for watching, guys.